Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you some very delicious Kahlua popsicle in a bag, perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing, refreshing, and creamy Kahlua popsicle in a bag. These are the ingredients. I have, of course, the baggies, evaporated milk, condensed milk, vanilla paste, granulated sugar, whipping cream, Kahlua, coffee, and water. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing Kahlua popsicle in a bag. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. When you make your simple syrup, you use less sugar. And here I have 1 cup of granulated sugar. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. We are going to take it to the stove. We're going to cook it for about 5 minutes. And when the water is nice and clear, that means your simple syrup is done. We're gonna put it aside and we're gonna let it cool down so when we need it. Look at this. I have here a little cup that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water. And to this, I am going to add some instant coffee. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. This is what's going to give and bring up those amazing flavors of the Kahlua. Once it's nice and dissolved, look at this color. The color is really dark brown, and that's exactly how you want it. Now I'm adding my condensed milk. And of course, I'm not leaving anything behind. I'm adding my evaporated milk. To this, I'm gonna add my simple syrup, which is already at room temperature. And I'm adding my whipping cream. Make sure that you taste it so that you see if you need to add a little more of your simple syrup. Now here I'm adding my vanilla paste. The vanilla paste really gives it an amazing flavor. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon. Be generous with your vanilla paste because it really makes a difference. And here I'm just going to incorporate it completely into the milks. And now I'm ready to use the can of the evaporated milk to add the Kahlua. I'm adding 1 can of Kahlua. Remember, I'm using the evaporated milk can. I'm going to add it in here. You could already see the milk changing color and the aroma of the Kahlua, just amazing. Here I'm adding the coffee that we made at the beginning. And I'm just going to incorporate it. These smells are just amazing. Let me show you how thick and creamy this is. But yet, let me taste it to see if I need to add a little bit of the simple syrup. To my tasting, I don't need to add any syrup. You know something? That's why you make your simple syrup, so that you don't use too much sugar, making this delicious and creamy Kahlua popsicle in a bag. Look how creamy it is. The smell that is releasing is just amazing. Perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. And if you are here for the first time, I invite you to subscribe so that you become part of my family. Thank you for being here. And here, this is what I'm going to use. I have my baggies here. I have this cup with this cylinder that is really thin from the top to make it easier when I'm pouring it into my little bags. This little cup, you could find it at Walmart. It's very easy to use, but yet you don't make a mess when you're adding all these delicious milks inside those little baggies. Look at this. Well, now I'm ready to make my amazing popsicles in a bag. Here, I'm going to start by opening the bag, and now I am ready to pour. Of course, you could make them big, you could make them medium, you could make them small. You decide, but here at home, I like making them medium size so that it's not too much and it's just perfect for one person. And look, I'm just twisting it, getting all the air out, and now I'm ready to tie the knot. Tie it really tight so I don't make a mess in my freezer. Look at this. I'm going to do one more so that you see how easy it is. Why go buy ice cream to the supermarket when you can make this amazing popsicle in a bag at home, and you have control of how much sugar you add to these amazing and creamy popsicles in a bag. Here, I'm just going to get the air out, and I'm going to start twisting, making sure that I twist really tight so nothing comes out. And of course, I'm going to continue making the rest. Here, I am done. I'm adding everything to this plate. I'm going to take it to my freezer overnight, and then I'll see you tomorrow to see how they came out. This is the next morning, and look at this. You could really see the little seeds of the vanilla paste. Look at this. Now I'm just going to cut this part off so it looks really nice. Look at this. Remember, I love making my presentation, so if you look at it and you say it looks amazing, I am sure you're going to try them at home. So here, I want to take a little bit off from the top because it's nice and frozen, and let me show you from close up the vanilla seeds. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am done with these amazing Kahlua popsicle in a bag. Look at this. You could even see the little pieces of the vanilla paste. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Kahlua popsicle in a bag. Look at this. You can even see the little seeds of the vanilla paste. Look at this. They look amazing. They are nice and creamy, and they are perfect for this hot weather. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make them at home, and I know that your family is really going to enjoy them. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.